A very good morning to one and all present here. Today's assembly is going to be conducted by Class 12 Science. The theme of this assembly is Impact of COVID-19 Pandemic on Education Today. The COVID-19 pandemic, also known as coronavirus pandemic, is an ongoing global pandemic of coronavirus disease caused by severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2. The pandemic has caused global social, economic, and educational disruption. Downfall of economy, closures of educational institutions, etc. are creating disturbance among the people over the entire world. Many of the people all over the world have lost their lives and many are still suffering from this pandemic. The COVID pandemic has affected each and every sector, including the educational sector. Initially, when the situation was getting worsened by each passing day, the government have imposed the lockdown over the entire nation. The main motive behind this lockdown was to protect each and every person from this pandemic. In such a bad situation, when everyone was trying hard to save their life, there exist some people who were fighting to protect our life from this pandemic. Those people are the corona warriors, which includes the doctors, the nursing staff, the civil workers, the healthcare workers, and the police. So, we should cooperate with them. It will take time to make the things back to normal again. Till then, we can all together fight with this pandemic by following all the measures that are stated by the World Health Organization and by our government. Now, let us start our assembly.
Good morning everyone. Get ready for Hindi prayer. सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। शुद्ध भाव से तेरा ध्यान लगाए हम, विद्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से पाए हम। विद्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से पाए हम। तुम्हीं से है आगाज तुम्हीं अंजाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु।
You are with me wherever I go. Every moment your life in me flows. You're always there, by close by side. You are there, oh Lord, both day and night. You are with me wherever I go. Every moment your life's in me flows. You're always there, by close my side. You are there, oh Lord, both day and night. You are with me in my mother's form. You are with me in the days of gloom. You held me stand against all odds, so you filled me with your strength, O Lord. You are with me wherever I go. Every moment your life in me flows. You're always there, by close my side. You are there, oh Lord, both day and night.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all others respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness.
Good morning. The thought of the day is, by changing nothing, nothing changes. I repeat, by changing nothing, nothing changes. Thank you and have a
A very good morning to respected principal ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. Today I, Yukti Dikshit of class 12 is going to present a speech on the topic Impact of COVID pandemic on the education today. The COVID-19 pandemic has affected the educational system worldwide, leading to the near total closures of schools, colleges and institutions. As of July 27, 2020, approximately 1.7 to 5 billion learners are currently affected due to the school closures in response to the COVID pandemic. School closures in response to the COVID pandemic have shed a light on numerous issues affected the access to education as well as broader socio-economic issues. Online learning has become critical lifeline for education as institutions seek to minimize the potential for community transmissions. But lack of access to technology or reliable internet access can prevent students from rural areas and from disadvantaged families to get education. School closures puts a strain on parents and guardians to provide childcare and manage distance learning when children are out of schools. Structure of schooling and learning includes teaching and assessment methodologies, but due to the school closures, these things are affected. Students' counseling programs are also affected. This pandemic time is a very challenging time for the teachers, students as well as for the parents. So we can't ignore that at this time of crisis, effective education practice is needed for the capacity building of young minds. Many of the educational policies and strategies have been introduced by our government to get through this kind of issue. So, all we have to do now is to put all our potential and efforts and survive this time very bravely. Time never waits. This tough time will also pass. Till then, keep working.
This is Malan Mishra of Mandra Public School. I am the student of class 12. And as we all know that in this pandemic situation, the first and the very best thing which we can do is to immune our health, to boost our immune system. And for that, nothing is much better than yoga. So today, I'm going to show some of the best tips that you can prefer for the yoga. So guys, the very first pose is Cobra pose. And this pose helps in many ways. The very first advantage of it is it strengthens our bones, muscles and shoulders. And most advantage of this is it opens the lungs and the heart, which helps in the proper respiratory system. For this pose, you have to lie down vertically. Guys, the second one is the seated spinal twist. The advantage of this is it helps improve digestion. Also, it massages our lower back pain, and the people who are suffering from lower back pain is very beneficial for them. Now, I'm going to show how to first of all you have to sit like this and bend your left leg like this. With your right hand, just opposite like this, and with your left leg. Now again, with the right leg. Just cross it like this. To the left and like this. Push it and move back.
morning, everyone. Get ready for the national song. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Shujalam, Shufalam, Malayaj Sheetalam, Shashya Shamalam, Mataram, Vande Mataram, Shubha Jyotsnam Pulakite Amini, Pulakasamita Dumadala Shobhini, Shubhashini, Shumadhula Bhashini, Sukhadam Varadam Mataram, Vande Mataram.